Alright guys, it's LSP. It's currently Saturday the 3rd of March 2018, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is the weekly. I've done custom analysis on the 26th to today, the 3rd. Obviously there's no trading today, but it just goes up to the 2nd, and we'll just click analyze so you can see that it's reloading. But again, look, the link's always available, you know it is, it's down below, so you're more than welcome to click on that and to see what the actual results are for the total since inception. But £72.15 this week, as most of you all know if you've been watching the daily review videos. That all came, or most of it came from one trade, which was the pound Japanese yen trade. So yeah, man, I mean, it's simple results. I think when we do the monthly one at the end of this month, we're going to get a better idea, you know, of what's been going on, you know, throughout this particular month. I mean, if we go down, you can see I'm down like just over 1.29%, just well, basically 1.29% for this for the month of March. You know, up 59.8% in February. These numbers are completely screwed, guys. You know, the account's so small. You know, it's going to be like this for a while, which is fine. You know, it's not a problem. You know, the whole point really is to kind of just keep grinding and grinding and grinding. And then when I get to a sizable amount, you know, we can start playing around with the numbers a little bit and seeing what we get. But, you know, for now, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with the week. It was a good week, you know, decent week. I did have the USD CAD trade, which I posted on Twitter, and I put it in the Telegram room as well, just as I opened the trade. And, you know, in day 33, if memory serves, you know, I tried to take a USD CAD long, got kind of spiked out of that, and then it ripped 60 pips. And then the following day, which was day 34, I again opened a trade on USD CAD. It went in favour, about 19 pips. I brought the stops to break even on both positions. And then when the news came out, it literally spiked right through my stops, which would have been a zero loss had it have taken the actual entry that I was looking for. But I had an 11 pip slippage, and then it kind of ripped to the upside, tagged the order of a high of the day, which is I adjusted the order. Instead of it being at 15, I adjusted the order at wherever it was at the time, 95. Just it was a previous high of the day or whatever. You can see it in the chart anyway. And it just literally went straight up there, tagged it. But it went down first, tagged it, straight up, tagged it, and kind of just fucked me both sides of the market really. So I took a small loss, about £6. I was up at 203 something, and you know I'm down to like 197.10. But all in all, it was a good week, very controlled. I only took one trade on the main account, which was a euro trade at 29 pips, and then obviously focused on the challenge account after that, you know, and standard shit really, you know, just normal trades, a little bit of scalping here and there, and not much else. So if we can keep the numbers like this, I'll be happy going forward. You know, average loss for this particular week was, you know, 7.9 pips, and average win was, or you know, 15 pips. You forget the number itself, £6.68 and £1.75. That's because of the size that I use, but the actual pip value, let's just say 8 pips average loss, 15 pips average win. So I'm just a little over, you know, double, doubling up basically. So I'm happy with that, and if I can keep this going towards the, you know, for the remainder of the challenge, so to speak, then you know, I'm easy. So that's that. That's this week. I'll continue to do the weekly reviews as well. I'll keep them short and brief. As always, guys, the link is below for my FX book if you want to go and see what's going on since inception. I've got a Telegram room as well below, which you're more than welcome to join. It's basically a broadcast channel. So what I'll do is I'll put updates in there when I post videos on YouTube, and I also do, you know, every now and then I'll throw a trade in there. And I don't want to overdo it, because I know it goes to people's mobiles notifications and they see it all the time. So I don't want to overdo it, but it's a handy little thing to have. So you're more than welcome to join that, you know, and you'll get the updates as and when I post them. And I will see you guys in the look ahead video, which I'll be doing at some point this weekend, pre-market, before the market opens on Sunday. And I'll see you in that one. All right, guys, so take care. All the best, and I'll speak to you soon.